In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a variable timing solenoid on a Honda CR-V with a 2.4 liter engine. It is located in your engine compartment. On the back side of the engine, right next to the cat converter, this is your valve. It has two plugs. You push down on the plug connector, pull up. You can also take a pick on the bottom side and lift up on the bottom part of the connector and then pull up. Same thing with this one. Push that connector button down and pull up and release. Now you have to disconnect your holder from your bracket. It's held on by these two tabs. If you push your tab in that direction and pull straight out. Same thing with this tab. Pull straight out. Put that off to the side. Now you have three 10mm bolts here, here, and here that you need to remove. Take your cover, push it off to the side. Now you have four 10mm bolts here, 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 and here. You need to remove those. As you take your last bolt out, you want to hold on to your valve. It's going to want to come off the side of the block. You might leak a little oil, that's fine. You want to clean your surface here. You can just use some brake cleaner and a rag. You can use a razor blade and clean this area here. Now that your area is clean, you're ready to install your new valve. With your new valve, you can slide your bolt in to your new valve first. Lower it down, line your bolts. You want to start all of these by hand first. Tighten your 4 bolts. You want to tighten those 4 down at 9 foot-pounds. Now take your bracket, install it back onto the valve with your 3 10mm bolts. And those also get torqued down to 9 foot-pounds. Install your wiring bracket. Plug your 2 connectors back in. Make sure your connectors are connected. Check your oil. Top your oil off if it's low, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.